Good afternoon, students. Let's start with page number 32 today, that is about ranking India. You know that India is known as the golden bird as well. It's a golden sparrow. In the ancient time, there was a land of sagas and seeds as well as the land of the scholars and scientists. India was actively contributed to the field of the science and technology centuries long before the modern laboratories were set up. Here, some contributions of the Indian has been made in the field of science and technology that is in front of you, on which everybody should feel proud that he or she is the part of Indian. Just because of these ranking India, we can proudly say, I'm proud to be an Indian. What are these? See, first of all, the idea of zero. There is a song also, Shunne Diya Mere Bharat Ne. India is also added zero to the maths. Shampoo was first time made in India as well. The word shampoo is the English derived from the Hindustani word that is shampoo. And the dates back in 1762, a variety of herbs and their extract were used in the shampoos since ancient time of India. Diamonds, the precious thing. India also discovered the diamond, has been using it from 3000 to 6000 years until century ago. India was sole source of diamonds. Ayurveda is also, you know, that allopathy is there, homeopathy is there, and Ayurveda is there. Ayurveda is the first system of the medicine. You know, it's an ancient system of the medicine which dates back to the Iron Age of India, and it is still practiced today as form of complementary and alternative medicines. Yes, Bhaskacharya rightly calculated the time taken by the Earth to the orbit of the Sun. Its Bhaskacharya accurately defined many astronomical quantities, include the length of the sidereal years, that is, the time required for the Earth to the orbit of Sun. And he also gave the world its first university, that is Takshila, as early as 700 BC, where existed a giant university with 300 lecture halls and laboratories, a library, and a towering observatory for astronomical research, and had 10,000 students and 200 professors there. The cotton cultivation and weaving is also done in India, first of all. 100 of the year before the Christians era, the cotton textile were woven in India and with matchless skills, and their use spread to the Mediterranean countries. Yoga is also originated in India. The most adopted fitness and health practice, that is yoga, that is around the world, is originated in India. If we talk about the military rockets, in year 1780, the Masood dynasty under the rule of the Hyder Ali and his son Tipu Sultan, a very famous name in the history. I hope everybody has listened. And there is a movie is also for that. Made the first successful use of the iron cased military rocket to fight against the British East India Company in the Battle of Kandahar. The British were exposed to the technology after defeating the Mysore dynasty. If we talk about the plastic surgery, it is also written by the Sushruta in 16th century BC. Sushruta Samhita is considered to be one of the most comprehensive textbook on the ancient surgery. The text mentions various illness, plants, preparation, and cures along the complex techniques of plastic surgery. We talk about the contract surgery. It has been also performed in the ancient India by the physician Sushruta back in the 16th century BC. That is the cataract surgery that is related to your eyes. Iron Pillar of India. The world's first iron pillar is made in India, in Delhi, that is erected at the time of the Chandragupta II Vikramaditya, 375 to 413. It has been called a testament of the skill of the ancient India blacksmith because of high resistance of corrosion. So that's why. So it is all about the ranks by India. The last one is buttons. The ornamental buttons made of the seashell were used in the Indus Valley citizen for the ornamental purpose 2000 BC. So this is your all the achievements is done by the India. Let's go for the next. That is plastic money. Very interesting chapter. You ever find it here? Plastic money. Nowadays, everybody is using this plastic money at their home. Your parents are also using this plastic money. Let's know something more about this plastic money. So it is the first one. Dash permit the card holder to purchase the goods and services. Which card permit the card holder to purchase the its credit card? Which card? Credit card. The next one, Dash directly debits the money from your bank account and it can be used directly to purchase the goods and services and withdraw the cash from an ATM. It is the debit card. Debit card in debit from debit card you can directly just have the money. Moreover, you can see the ATM cards your parents have, those also known as the debit cards. You can tell to your parents to show you, and credit card might be they have, so you can share with them this knowledge and you can experience so good. Dash permit to withdraw money direct from the ATM, but these do not allow the holder to purchase anything directly from it. It is the cash card. What is it? It is cash card. So please differentiate each and every type of card because their uses are different from each other. Dash has some features of a credit card, but after using them, they will be pay off to the entire billed amount to the due date. It is known as the charge card. What is it known? It is known as charge card. The next one is Dash are more convenient for those who travel abroad for business and the personal reasons. It is the global card. Global card. We talk about the next one. It contains an electronic chip and is used to store the cash. These are most useful when you have to pay the money for the small purchases like the bus fare, coffee, etc. And it don't identify any signature. It is the smart card. So that would be you have to discuss with your parents. Whatever the cards they are holding, please ask from them. Whatever the cards they are holding. And then when you see the practically all these type of cards, you will become more familiar with cards. Let's go for the next page. It is find the answers. The first one is, what were first issued in 1950 and allow people to pay by plastic? It is the plastic card. What is it? It's a plastic card. Or we can say it's a credit card. The actual name is credit card. Write some forms of plastic money. It is all those plastic cards that you have studied in the previous chapter. That is your credit card, debit card, Visa card, charge card. All these are the example of the plastic money. Name the companies which are responsible for maintaining and payment systems for plastic cards. It is American Express. It is MasterCard. You have seen the names on the cards as well. It is written over there on the American Express. And the second one is MasterCard or Visa. So these names, you ever listen? And these just hold. Why our chip cards are more secure and powerful than the cards that you use today? Chip cards, because they hold 10 times more information. Because they can hold 10 times more information. That's why. The next is, what is the full form of ATM? It is the automatic teller machine. What's the name full form? It is automated teller machine. It is your ATM. With what are familiar terms? Hole in the wall machine, cash point, or cash machine is associated. These machines are all associated with the ATM. Which cards are also known as the electronic purses? These cards, which card is known as the, it is stored value card, which is known as the electronic purses. It means stored value cards means the card having the value, and you may get the things related to that up to that value. The stored value cards. The next one is which card is also known as electronic purses? Yes, we have done the stored value cards. Eighth question is, who took the American Express from the floundering travel? Who took the American Express service from one of the most recognized credit corporations in the world? It is the Howard L. Clark. What's the name of it? It is the Howard L. Clark. Name the latest card which is used as microchip for the in-store to store the information. The name of this is smart cards. Which credit card features a centurion's head as its symbol? It is American Express. So this is all about the page number 35 that you have to do. Let's see what we have done. Let's discuss it once again. First of all, what we started with the page number 32, that is our yes, we started with the page number 32, in which we just learn about the Indian scenario where the India is ranking. And India is ranking at so many places. Its contribution is so valuable. Its contribution is so high in so many fields. So it is one of the important chapter from the examination point of view, as well as from your journal knowledge. As far as general knowledge is concerned, it is very much compulsory for everybody to know and be well aware, because we are Indian and we feel to be proud and Indian. And we should be well aware about the facts that what the India has done by the time. So all these are to be learned so well by everybody, whether it is the idea of zero, whether the shampoo, diamonds, Ayurveda, or first university, that is Takshila, cotton cultivation is done, yoga is originated in India, military rockets, when it is used, it is to be clear as well. The plastic surgery, the cataract surgery, the iron pillar in Delhi is one made, and as well as the buttons. So there are the different things. These are the various things that you ever find. These are have a very great contribution in the India. Just because of these, India is just ranking nowadays. So it should be well clear to everybody. Now we know very well. In the beginning time, a Sharfi system was there. There were the coins that is like the gold as well as silver. And after that, the copper and other kind of metal coins just come into existence. And later on, the notes come into existence. And after that, nowadays, in the modern time, all we know very well, the plastic money take place. So these plastic money used by everybody in the different way as per their requirements. Some people use the credit card, some people use the value cards, tap it cards, ATM cards are there. So I request everybody and instructed everybody to talk to your parents and ask from them if they have obtained any of the card from any of the bank. Please ask from them, look at the card carefully and also talk about the features of those cards. And moreover, when you go to market and use those cards, please use by yourself, because when you use it, you just come to know more about these cards. Your practical knowledge about the cards will become so visible, and then you are able to attempt in the question. When you use that card, it is very easy for you to give the answer that which type of card is this. So if we talk about which type of cards we have studied in this lesson, we have studied about the credit cards, debit card, cash card, charge card, global cards, and smart cards. We have studied about these cards in this chapter. After that, we just find the answers about this plastic money. Some questions are given to us, and we have to give the answers related to those cards, that from where this plastic money and what are the different forms of the plastic money, and India issues a plastic money. Full form of ATM, it is to be also clear to us. So this is all about for the day that we have done. If anybody have any doubt, please ask. Feel free to have the query. And did you know an interesting fact is given over here? Please read it carefully. Since the Middle Ages, money has progressed from pure gold to plastic. A 16th century Spanish doubloon contrast with the Diners Club card and the world's first credit card in 1951. The Diners Club issued the card to 200 customers who could use it to pay in the 27 restaurants of New York. You have to read this fact for the sake of having the knowledge. Wherever the did you know is given to you, please read it so well.